Hi, this is Krishna Bharadwaj and you're watching me on Times of India TV. एज एन एक्टर तो मुझे लगा कि हाइला मुझे फिर से वही करना पड़ेगा, बट देन आई थॉट कि मैं क्या करता था पहले। अच्छा, मैं ये करता था पहले, तो मैं फिर बहुत खुश हो गया। मैंने कहा ओके, ये वापस से खुश होने वाली बात है और इंसान को वो मोमेंट या वो कोई भी चीज़ ना नहीं करनी चाहिए जो उसको खुश करती हो। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी, वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट आई एम प्लेइंग ड्रामा वंस अगेन इन लाइफ. The first thing that came to my mind was okay, that I don't want to go bald again. I don't want to lose my hair because I was in love with my hair and with my look, and I had spent a lot of money to save those hair. 2017, before 2017, I didn't have work for 4 years. I was out of work and I had terrible life and no money, no social life, nothing. And I was struggling hard to survive in the industry. I used to get shortlisted in each and every, and I mean it, each and every audition that I used to give in that phase. I used to get shortlisted and I used to get call कि आप shortlist हो गए हैं, but I never got that final call.
Hello everyone, this is Sukarna Mandal and today we have Tenali Rama's Tenali Rama on Times of India TV. Welcome Krishna.
Thank you so much,
How are you
Sukarna.
doing?
I'm doing good.
कैसा लग रहा है फिर से वापसी करने?
So ये कैरेक्टर ऐसा है ना जहाँ पे जो बहुत खुशियाँ बांटता है, और जब हम ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करें जो बहुत खुशियाँ बांटता है तो वो आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्ट करता है। आप रियल लाइफ में वैसे ही बन जाते हो। तो एज एन एक्टर तो मुझे लगा कि हाइला मुझे फिर से वही करना पड़ेगा, बट देन आई थॉट कि मैं क्या करता था पहले। अच्छा, मैं ये करता था पहले, तो मैं फिर बहुत खुश हो गया। मैंने कहा ओके, ये वापस से खुश होने वाली बात है और इंसान को वो मोमेंट या वो कोई भी चीज़ ना नहीं करनी चाहिए जो उसको खुश करती हो। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी, वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट आई एम प्लेइंग ड्रामा वंस अगेन इन लाइफ.
जब ये बिल्डअप हो रहा था कि ये शो वापस आ रहा है, व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड?
The first thing that came to my mind was okay, that I don't want to go bald again. I don't want to lose my hair because I was in love with my hair and with my look, and I had spent a lot of money to save those hair. आज के ज़माने में अपने बाल बचाने बड़े मुश्किल काम है. So I was doing that, but I had to lose my hair. That was the first thing. But that's just a part which affects you like for a day or two, and then you sink in. You know, the fact sinks in you that it's fine. What ultimately you're going to do is way bigger than losing hair and everything. And अब टकले होने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं तो चलो ऐसे ही कमा लेते हैं पैसे, और क्या.
But what does Tenali Rama mean to you?
Tenali Rama, professionally and personally, both ways means a lot to me. Professionally, it's a benchmark of my life. 2017, before 2017, I didn't have work for 4 years. I was out of work and I had terrible life and no money, no social life, nothing. And I was struggling hard to survive in the industry. Coming from a small town and a very humble family, had no monetary financial help from anybody. So it was a difficult time when Tenali came to me. एंड बेगर्स कांट बी चूजर्स. तो उस टाइम मुझे लगा कि चलो टकला होने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, हो जाते हैं 3-4 महीने में जो भी पैसे आएंगे कमा लेंगे, क्या ही चलेगा, शो कितना ही चलेगा. पता नहीं था ये शो इतना बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा, और ये शो बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया. तो इट्स अ बेंचमार्क इन लाइफ. नो वर्क ऑफ माइन हैज़ बीन एज बिग एज तेनाली रामा. पर्सनली, एज आई सेड, Tenali Rama made me a happier person. It made me a way happier person, which I used to be before Tenali Rama. I wasn't this happy person. I was a little sad and depressed because of the circumstances in life. But playing Tenali Rama for 3.5 years for 800 episodes, I realized when it ended that, oh, I am a happy person. I solve my problems with much ease and with that calmness which Tenali used to have. तो जब आप ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं जो आपकी पर्सनल एनर्जी से बहुत अलग है, और 12 घंटे आप 365 दिन वही काम करते रहते हैं, तो आपको साइकोलॉजिकली कहीं ना कहीं वो अफेक्ट करता है. एंड इट अफेक्टेड मी ब्यूटिफुली, पॉजिटिवली. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट तेनाली डज टू मी एवरी टाइम आई प्ले इट.
वो 4 साल when you were going through tough times, what kept that survival instinct in you?
The passion of doing something which I always wanted to do. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आप में टैलेंट कम होना चलेगा, लेकिन आप में पैशन कम नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर पैशन एक कम टैलेंटेड बंदे में भी अगर पैशन होता है ना, तो वो वहाँ पहुँच सकता है. लेकिन अगर बहुत टैलेंटेड बंदे में पैशन नहीं है तो वो वहाँ नहीं पहुँच सकता. तो पैशन इज़ वन थिंग विच केप्ट मी अलाइव. आई स्टार्टेड आफ्टर 2 years. In those 4 years, the third year I started keeping myself occupied with doing theatre. Now in India, theatre don't pay you well. आई मीन महीने में एक शो होता है, उसका 1000 रुपये मिलता है आपको, 1000 रुपये आप महीने में, आप पूरे महीने में 1000 रुपये कमा रहे हो, जस्ट इमेजिन। तो मैंने थिएटर करना शुरू किया, बट दैट केप्ट मी happy because I was creatively satisfied, mentally occupied, and I started writing the Gujarati film that I did before Tenali Rama. So I was writing a film, I was the co-writer of the film, and वो लिखना शुरू किया. So and then I realized कि जब आप डिप्रेशन फेज़ में हो, किसी को भी डिप्रेशन होता है ना, उसको एक चीज़ करनी चाहिए, उसको मेंटली ऑक्यूपाइड करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर करना चाहिए, which I did, and that kept me going.
But during that phase, did you also like consult anyone, or did you keep engaged with your family?
Nothing. I had no money for any consultation. I had money for medication, so I was on medication for depression and all, and I couldn't share it with my parents because they were old and I had no friends and all. So it was a very tough life. I used to stay alone in one room kitchen in Malad West, and I remember. But that was the time my spiritual journey also started. I started meditation a lot. I remember I used to meditate 10 hours a day, just meditating, doing nothing at all, and manifesting good things to happen in life, and it happened.
So until Tenali Rama happened to you, what do you feel wasn't working for you?
So I did a lot of shows with Hats Off Production, which ran for a year or 9 months or a year and a half and all. None of the shows became as successful as Tenali. तो ज़्यादा चली नहीं. And then 2013 my last show R.K. Lakshman की दुनिया with Hats Off ended on Sony Sub only. And 2017 तक there was no work. And I don't know why. Because I used to get shortlisted in each and every, and I mean it, each and every audition that I used to give in that phase. I used to get shortlisted and I used to get call कि आप shortlist हो गए हैं, but I never got that final call. ये I think एक यूनिवर्स का एक माया ही होती है, एक प्ले होता है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ सिखाना होता है शायद, कि आप उससे उभर कर एक बेटर इंसान बने या बेटर क्रिएटिव पर्सन बने, और फिर आपको वो मिलता है जो आपको मिलना चाहिए. आई गेस ये वो हुआ मेरे साथ, बिकॉज अगर वो बुरा फेज़ नहीं आता तो मैं तेनाली उतने अच्छे से प्ले नहीं कर पाता जितने अच्छे से मैंने प्ले किया.
Tenali करते करते when did you feel that yes, you are being recognized?
So my set was in Naigaon. So when shooting happens, your life is only doing shooting and सेट से घर, घर से सेट, सेट से घर, यही लाइफ हो जाती है. सो आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज दिस गर्ल फ्रॉम चैनल एंड शी केम वन ऑफ द डेज 15-16th एपिसोड हुए थे, एंड शी केम ऑन द सेट एंड शी सेड, कृष्णा, यू हैव नो आइडिया, यू हैव बिकम अ स्टार, यू नो. आई सेड, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, लुक एट मी, आई एम लुकिंग लाइक स्टार, एंड मैं थका हुआ हूँ, यू नो, पैकअप का टाइम, पैकअप कर दो यार जल्दी एंड ऑल दिस. एंड शी सेड, यू हैव नो आइडिया, तुम्हारी होर्डिंग्स लगी पड़ी हैं, व्हाट अ बिग स्टार यू बिकम. आई मीन ऐसे चलो चलो. सो आई नेवर टुक दैट सीरियसली एवर, बट दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रियलाइज अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है. But it never went in my head. I mean, I never think of that stardom or any celebrity kind of stuff. I'm an actor and I'm happy to be an actor.
So is bar did it come easy to you when the second season was announced?
It's just, I just got a call that Tenali is happening. That's it.
And you went bald.
I went bald.
What was the family's reaction?
So it was supposed to start before Diwali. My mom said, दिवाली पे आ रहा, टकला होके मत आना. दिवाली तुम्हारा शूटिंग दिवाली के बाद करो. I don't want to see you bald in दिवाली टकला होके. So मैंने दिवाली पे जो मैंने प्रोमो शूट किया था वो प्रोस्थेटिक के साथ शूट किया था. I didn't get bald. After Diwali I went home, celebrated Diwali with them, came back and then I went bald.
So daily life में how do you go on about it with your bald look? Are you like okay, cool and calm about it?
What to do? What else to do? I can't do anything. I can wear wig and all patches and all those things. तो मैं अब यही रियलिटी है, सच्चाई को अपना लें तो खुश रहता है इंसान. दिस इज़ माई रियलिटी नाउ, बॉल्ड. मतलब ये तो टैटू बन चुके हैं. द टीका दैट यू सीइंग, बिकॉज वी आर शूटिंग इन सो मच ऑफ सनलाइट, ये पूरा टैन हो चुका है, यू नो. आई विल शो यू. दैट्स द रियल कलर. That's my real color complexion and that's the tan. So इसका भी छाप हो गया है, इसका भी छाप हो गया है. So I have real tattoo on my head and everything.
So how much time do you take for
Makeup and getting ready? An hour. It starts with shaving the head every day and then makeup and then costume. So around an hour.
So apart from shaving your head, like did you undergo any kind of physical transformation?
I wanted to this time I wanted to become a little muscular because पहले वाला जो रामा था वो थोड़ा teens था, अभी वो थोड़ा mature हुआ है, थोड़ा मर्द टाइप दिखे थोड़ा. तो I lost weight, मेरा पेट वेट निकला हुआ था काफ़ी. I lost 6 kgs and I'm starving most of the time. Intermittent fasting is working, but that's the only thing that I did.
So, any health regime, diet you follow, or fitness regime?
I'm not able to work out right now because बहुत ज़्यादा hours of shooting चल रही हैं. But ultimately I'm gonna be, after a month I'm gonna join the gym again. Diet, I'm doing intermittent fasting is working a lot for me. So 16 hours of intermittent I'm doing right now.
So, in terms of audience, what do you think clicked? Like, it's been massively popular with all age group. What do you think clicked with the audience?
The realness, the honesty. Uh, if you see our show, you will not find that anybody is saying a dialogue. There's a difference between conversation and saying dialogues. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली इन द टीवी इंडस्ट्री में, दिस इज़ अ वेरी फिक्स पैटर्न ऑफ सेइंग डायलॉग्स कि अगर हिस्ट्री है तो आप हिस्ट्री में इस तरह से बातें करते हैं, या माइथोलॉजी है तो प्रिय कृष्ण भगवान ऐसे बातें करते हैं. हमारे शो में ऐसा नहीं है. ये नॉर्मल डेली सोप में भी, सास बहू में भी जो बातें होती हैं ना, वो जो हाई पिच ड्रामा एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, हमारे पे बहुत बहुत नेचुरल कॉन्वर्सेशन है. And somehow it happened on its own. Nobody taught us, no director, nobody told us to do this. Right from the first day we kept it. So आप जब ऐसे लोगों को देखते हो तो आपको लगता है that's a part of your family. You know, and when you become a part of the family, that clicks with the audience. You think the audience thinks that they are part of this family. I guess that clicked the most. The realness of the characters.
Krishna, also like being a part of kind of historical show, and you know, being a part of this generation, do you feel like social media game is important to stay relevant?
It is, which I am bad at it. I'm not very active on social media. I don't have many followers, and I don't know which is good or bad, but I don't know, somehow I don't feel connected to social media because I'm a private personal person. मेरे को तो सेल्फी लेना भी याद नहीं रहता. आधे टाइम तो फ़ोटो ही नहीं खींचता हूँ मैं. फिर याद आता है ला फ़ोटो खींचना रह गया पोस्ट करने के लिए. I can't keep posting my food or my clothes or something like that. But it is relevant. It is quite relevant. Only if you get the good things out of it. I think social media is an accumulation of information, you know, unjustified information, which is a clutter, which is filling your mind with clutter, and you don't know which to follow, which one to follow, because there's so much of information all the time. I'm not active because it affects my sanity a lot, kai baar. But through social media, I've also realized that I am guessing that there's a spiritual revolution that's happening right now. A lot of youth is getting into spiritual area. They are going to Rishikesh for holiday. They're not going to Lonavala, Khandala and all those. So this spiritual revolution shown via social media is working a lot, which is a good thing. That's the positive side of social media, which attracts me the most.
So ये किरदार निभाते निभाते how do you switch in real life? कोई difficulty होती है?
In real life, you will find me just keep sitting quietly in one corner, not talking to anybody. That's how I am. I will be quiet and in my space and not talking much. Difficulty तो होती है because 12 घंटे आप प्ले कर लेते हो, उसके बाद लगता है कहाँ जाऊँ मैं, अभी क्या करूँ, शांति चाहिए थोड़ी. But I've been able to do it somehow and it's fun. So after playing something which you're not for 12 hours, when you come back to yourself, that moment when you come back to yourself, you know, while removing makeup, there's a sense of peace in it. There's a sense of satisfaction in it. That, okay, you're back.
And what's your idea of unwinding?
Just lying down on my bed, on my pillow with my chadar and all. You know, we are shooting in Amgaon and I have carried my own pillow, my own dohad and everything, so that I guess I get that cozy feeling अपने घर का. And that's why हमारा set Amgaon में लगने वाला था, and I said no, I need to come back to my home. So my house, my personal space, just being in my personal space is the best way of unwinding. मैं भले कुछ ना करूँ, मैं बैठा रहूँ, टीवी चलता रहे, टीवी ना देखूँ, कुछ ना करूँ, बस being in my den gives me peace.
Well, as you said, you are not
A social person.
social media person. Message for fans.
So I say that this is your manifestation which is working and Rama is back. So this manifestation will work for you also. You will meet Rama in your own house Monday to Saturday from 16th December on Sony Sub. Tenali Rama is back for you. So watch me.